Hello, this is Eric Pierce. I just wanted to show you in a screencast, something I learned in my EdTech 444 class recently, what I was showing you on my phone. Here's the information. I have OK grades on my discussion board posts, OK grades on an application paper. That's actually a 10 out of 10. She hasn't graded this paper. Uh, Inclusion module 0 out of 10. This is where I saw why I got 0 out of 10. Because I put the questions and I said things like list and briefly describe the 8 steps to the Cotter's module. Here are the 8 steps to the Cotter's module. And then I went on and continued to list them. And I went in great detail of listing them. Here's what the problem is. It's 34%, but you look at it, 18% of it was done by somebody in another nation. Someone also put in. So there was 53 papers that I got a total of 19% from somebody that submitted in 2013, 18% from somebody that submitted in 2014. Somebody submitted in 2007, someone submitted in 2007, someone submitted in 2007. We all kind of have the same answers because those are the answers to the module. That's the problem is that most of this paper is basic answers. Describe things. So we all describe them. Here's the problem I have when I went and deleted all the information. It still came up that there was 7%. So I had an issue. So it still came up 7% when I resubmitted it. But did she take the resubmit? No. She just assumed I copied from some online forum somewhere where I have no idea where to get that because I'm not that savvy. Here's my other problem I have. Here's my observation uh, project. I got one out of 10 on that I spent a very long time in. Here is the observation. Here's the question. It says, her answer is there's 28 students in a special day class. You observed 28 students in the class? Well, here's the class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Those are the two aides and a teacher. So there was 28 students when I was there. So she basically said I was a liar, which I didn't find very helpful. Then we'll go on down here. We'll go back to the instructions for the paper. The instructions for the paper were E. Remember to ask the teacher clarifying questions. For example, how do you collaborate? What specific strategies do you use to accommodate the needs of the students? So I'm asking the teacher. Note, students must ask the teacher directly in case strategies above are not clearly observed. So I went and asked the teacher. She said this about what modifications she used. So I put she used assistive technology, iPad with Prolog to go communication, uh, and etc. Accommodations like higher tables for those in wheelchairs. I observed that. One-on-one support for aides and specialties. I observed that. Tables are set up for constant small group work like on a they were working on a cake pop fundraiser. What is remodeling? I think I meant to say I think I accidentally put something in there. But basically she has basically said I didn't do anything in this and just corrected all my grammar. And it says collaborate ask the teacher about strategies to enhance collaboration. Teachers they have lunch. Class seems to be constantly moving. All the things. Here's another issue. Describe how the teacher communicated with the students. They were working, when I was there, they were working on the house on Mango Street called Joy Divert. She also works a material that speaks to the diversity of the class. Sometimes it's a book from an African American author. She wasn't currently working on that. She treats every student with respect to their cultures and is fair to all her students. This says it's an interview response, but it wasn't an interview response. So I didn't say I observed. I'm sorry I didn't say I observed. Did she get a chance? Did she answer? Did she correct this part of my paper? Did she correct this part of my paper? No. Sorry. This is how she answered. You did not follow the instructions for this assignment. Not only was this assignment a fairly long assignment, but I also submitted, here's that 10 out of 10 on the application paper 2. I submitted two parts to this assignment. Part of it was the attendance of the assignment, and the other part was to watch the class and report on the class. So, needless to say, I don't think I deserved a 1 out of 10. Now, do I deserve a 10 out of 10? No. By no means do I deserve a 10 out of 10. But a 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10, hey, I'm not perfect. Or hey, you might not have gotten it right this time. Uh, Eric, there's no evidence below that you observed the culturally responsive class in the questions you answered below. So you're saying that the whole bottom part of this class, part of these answers, I didn't answer right. So what you could do for a teacher and a future teacher is say, hey, you didn't answer it right. Why don't you resubmit? But that's just what I would have done in other classes. Here's my ed tech class. Here's my class. I missed the first week of class. Here's my individual feedback. 5, 5, 5, 9 out of 5. Completed both extra credit. Uh, 5, 5, 5. First assignment, I wasn't there, so I didn't know what I was doing. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 9, 9, 19 out of 19 out of 10. Look, good work, good work, good work, good work, good work. Here is my here is my grades for my 301 class. 25 out of 25. Outstanding presentation. Your video was quite funny and got the class involved. Your demonstration was equally entertaining. 10, 10, 4.9 out of 5. 17 out of 20. 18 out of 20. I'm at a 92, 85, 99, 100%. Needless to say, I have a 4.0 right now in grad school. And in grad school, in my postgraduate work, and I'm now run into this. So another problem with this class is the table of contents. I'll show you an example of a great table of contents. Content here. So you look at the course schedule, full schedule. You look at that's not it. Here's the full schedule. Assignment, assignment, assignment. Thursday, you have week 1, you have week 2 instruction, week 3, week 4, week 6, week 8, what's due, when is it due, here's some information, in-class activity, assignment. I do have a lot of assignments in this class. Some Cyber Patriot information, week 7, week 8, everything is dated. Here's our class. Here's the course schedule. Full schedule, first class, 2 months. 2 months of nothing. 2 months of no easy course schedule. What is expected? Yes, it was originally in the, as we discussed, it was originally in the syllabus, but then she changed the dates multiple times. On the side, her table of contents: 1, 3, 5, 6, 14, 10, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. So she went out of order, got us all lost. Discussion boards, she didn't she she had her issues with that. Here is one of my emails. I she replied with yes, online instructional can be frustrating. Nonetheless, please review, etc. I then apologized. This is September 21st. I then apologized. Hey, I'm sorry that I posted about the cutting and pasting. That's what I mentioned earlier. I see the syllabus that some have dates, some have conflicting dates, and I mentioned that when we discussed. I hear on the questions that they're all due on Wednesday, yet only the first week says Wednesday. I've been out of school for a little bit of time, etc. How I mentioned. That's the basics I'm interested in. I just want a fair shake. I want a fair shake on the grades. I want a fair shake on the class, and I'm not asking for an A. I have A's in all of my other classes, all four of my co-requisites. I have A's in. I'm just asking for a fair shake and a fair class grade. Thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing from you.